Hi guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. So have you guys ever dreamed about personalizing your personal items with your own drawings? Here I have prepared some amazing tools and solutions for you guys. First of all, meet our newly developed Craft Express Joy Sublimation markers and fabric markers. And they are all packed in nice clear boxes. And for our sublimation markers, you can choose from 6 color set and this 18 color set. And for the 6 color set, you can choose 6 fluorescent colors or non-fluorescent colors. And if you want all of the colors here, you can just choose our 18 color set, which includes all the colors in the smaller packs and 6 more non-fluorescent colors. And for the fabric markers, we only have one 18 color set, and its colors are the same as the colors in the large sublimation marker set. These two types of markers are used in different ways, and with our fabric markers, you can directly draw your designs onto any fabric items such as some t-shirts, tote bags, hats, and shoes. No need for any heat press machine. And here, as you can see, the colors are very vibrant. And if you want to create with our sublimation markers, you need to draw your design on a paper first, and the markers will go very smoothly on the paper. And you can just choose the most common white papers and no need for sublimation papers. And if you want to create some text or some monograms, you need to draw them down on the paper backwards, and which is just like we need to mirror the images on the computer before doing sublimation printing. And after finishing your artwork, you can use a heat press machine to transfer your design onto some fabric items and also some hard flat items, such as some sublimation coasters and ceramic tiles. And if you have a mark press, you can even transfer your drawings onto some mugs, bottles, and tumblers. Anything with sublimation coating. And if you have trouble drawing mirrored images, you can try this perfect solution if you have a cameo cutter. Because our sublimation markers can fit in its adapter, and the machine can draw the outline of your design on a paper fast and perfectly. And then you can fill the colors and use the heat press machine to transfer it onto your item. Sounds very cool, right? So next, let's just move on to see how to use these amazing markers. So do you guys like our sublimation markers and fabric markers? Please comment down below to tell me which type of markers do you want. And no matter which one you choose, it can produce very vibrant colors and your designs will stay nice and beautiful on the items forever without fading away. And if you want to order the markers right now, you can send email to best@bestsub.net. And please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.